Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. Why don't we make these almond pancakes today? I messed them up because I've been taking pictures, but you can see they're beautiful, they're golden. Oh, they taste really, really good. Before we do anything, please subscribe, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make these. We're gonna put 1.25 cups of almond flour into our bowl, but I don't want you to just scoop it. I want you to spoon it and level it so that it's not packed in there and these aren't dry, okay? We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. We're gonna set this aside. In this bowl, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of almond milk, two eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of our homemade maple syrup. If you don't have this, you can put in a tablespoon of just sweetener, okay? Yeah. Now we're going to put the wet ingredients into the dry and mix it in. If your batter starts getting too thick, you can thin it out with a little bit of almond milk at a time. This is too thick. I'm just gonna... That's the consistency we wanted, okay? Not so thick, not too thin either. I'm gonna add some butter to this pan. And I'm gonna spoon my batter. Watch out that your pan isn't too hot. You want to heat it, but then reduce the heat. Aren't those pretty? There was 4 of them, but one of them made a sacrifice and let me eat it. Let's taste this. I would never know that I am on a diet. Oh, these are great. I drizzled that maple syrup we made yesterday, as you can see, and I did put some extra butter on there. You saw when I showed you the right off the pan. These are good, guys. I hope you make them and I hope you love them. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow.